If you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, I am here for you at Skip to My Life. Well, today's episode is all about Dollar Tree hacks and how they compare with prices on Amazon. So let's get started with these new lucite containers that I found at Dollar Tree this week. Well, these clear containers are all the rage and they cost much more on Amazon. I picked up 3 of these small lidded containers and 2 of the 3 section dividers for my vanity. These types of dividers are especially nice to organize your vanity and bathroom area because they're so easy to clean. And I'm also loving these types of containers where we don't have to label them. We can just see exactly what's inside. I was looking to streamline everything that I had on my bathroom counter, and I found that if I set it on this little IKEA tray, it is so much easier to keep clean. And really, these are the essential items I need every day. The other things I can put under my sink. The 3-tier divider would also come in handy for parties, and it holds silverware perfectly. One of the high-end trendy looks is to layer rugs, and I found these rug grippers at Dollar Tree, but honestly the better deal is the same material but in shelf liner. You'll get a lot more for the same price at Dollar Tree. You'd also want to pick up a few of their rugs. Now they have rounded edges and square edges. I prefer the square edges, and I'll show you why. I wanted to layer these 3 rugs outside my front door, but found that they just kept slipping and were really not safe. And as you can see, Bella, my long-haired dachshund, is looking on. I created this buffalo check rug by duct taping 2 Dollar Tree square edge mats together. I got this idea from Glue Guns and Roses. And then for my second rug, I just got a plain core rug from Walmart, put that on top. And then for my third rug, I'm using another Dollar Tree rug. So that's a total of 3 Dollar Tree rugs. I stenciled the word welcome on it, and I hot glued to the edges that shelf liner. Now these 3 rugs are going to stay in place and I won't have to worry about tripping over them. I put that rug mat underneath the first one, and you can see that it's quite small compared to the shelf liner. The shelf liner goes in between my first rug and my second rug. And then for my top rug, I have the welcome one, which has all of the shelf liner glued to the back. Dollar Tree also carries seasonal rugs, and so it'd be fun to trade out this top rug with the seasons. Well, you may have noticed that microfiber cleaning cloths are all the rage, and Dollar Tree carries 2 for $1.25, both in blue and in gray. I am going to show you the difference between using a microfiber cloth to clean a mirror and using a paper towel, but as you can see, they retail for much more on Amazon. Well, I was not a big believer in microfiber cloths until I saw a demonstration by Catherine on Do It on a Dime. That's a wonderful channel. If you've never checked it out, I encourage you to. I am using my favorite Walmart cleaner. It's called Sprayway, and to be honest with you, I love it because of the scent. It just has a really nice fresh scent. So on my right, I'm using the microfiber cloth, and on my left, I'm using the paper towel. Now, as you can see, it takes a lot more work to get this mirror streak-free with the paper towel. So I am totally convinced these microfiber cloths are worth it. Well, I've tried out just about every cleaning cloth Dollar Tree offers, and these Plain Jane white cleaning cloths are my favorite above all. They're made entirely of synthetic fibers, and what I do first is cut these into quarters, so each towel makes 4 different towels. I find that that's the perfect size for cleaning for me, and I'm going to show you why. Now, I did use this little rotary cutter from Dollar Tree, and I cannot vouch for that one. It didn't cut very well through this fiber, so I would just use scissors. And as you can see, these are going to take the place of many rolls of paper towels, saving you lots of money. And I just wanted to make it real with you and show you my pre-used towels. As you can see, they clean up really well. I used these for years. I bleach them, I use them in hot water in the washing machine, and they come out good as new. Since we're on the topic of cleaning, I did an entire video on my magic cleaning caddy, and I love the size caddy that Dollar Tree offers for just $1.25. You really cannot beat that price on Amazon for the size. While you're picking up a caddy, you'll want to pick up 3 bottles from Dollar Tree. Now, I love these spray bottles because they have straight sides that fit perfectly within the caddy. Dollar Tree offers many different sizes of spray bottles, but these just plain straight ones seem to work the best. I'll link to my magic cleaning caddy and what I put in those bottles so you can check that out if you're interested. Our next Dollar Tree hack is makeup brushes. Now, the Wet n Wild brand are my very favorite. These are synthetic brushes. They are not natural hair. I like them so much. I am telling you, the ones I'm going to demonstrate for you, I have used literally for years. You can find the same exact brushes on Amazon, but not for this price. Now, when I clean my brushes, and I try to do it at least once a week, I start by soaking them in hot, soapy water. I don't have any special formula. I just take them out and wash them by hand, each one at a time. And my favorite thing about these Dollar Tree brushes is that you can tell when they're clean because the end turns pink again. So if they're covered with makeup, it has kind of a dingy look, but once they're fresh and clean, I put them outside in the sunshine to disinfect them, and I am all ready to go. Many of us are cutting the cost of a manicure by doing our nails at home. Dollar Tree has a new line called New Color. I have not tried that one. If you have, comment below, let me know what you think. But I swear by the LA Colors brand, and I'm going to show you 3 bottles that I always keep on hand. These 2 colors of Essie nail polish are very, very popular, and as you can see, that brand retails at a much higher price on Amazon, but Dollar Tree dupes these 2 colors with the ones I'm showing you, and I am listing the numbers for you. Well, to me, this bamboo back scratcher looks very high-end, and as you can see, it retails for much more at Amazon. This is something every Dollar Tree carries. You may have passed it by many, many times, but I think it looks very classy. My husband swears by it. He always has an itchy back, and he was happy to have me demonstrate this bamboo back scratcher on him. Well, you may not think much about toothpaste at Dollar Tree, but I am going to convince you that you should reconsider. Sometimes it's those little hacks that really make a change in our daily lives, and this container is one of those things. It's a Colgate zip-up side. It's very, very easy to remove that label and turn it upside down, and you can always see exactly how much toothpaste you have. As you can see, the expiration date stays printed on the container, and you'll never have a messy toothpaste tube again. Dollar Tree recently started selling high-end peel and stick wallpaper in these rectangles. Now, you can find peel and stick wallpaper in rolls online at Amazon. However, I really like working with this size of a rectangle, and as you can see, I have made over my washer and dryer using this. I'm going to be showing that in an upcoming episode. I've also made large-scale wall art for my husband's office, as well as creating a little hot drink station with some of this peel and stick wallpaper. If you're new to Skip to My Life, please comment below and let me know how we found each other, and welcome. These clear vertical containers are so handy for the laundry area. They come in blue, pink, and clear. I prefer the clear. They rival some very expensive containers on Amazon, and what I love most about them is if you have a small laundry space like I do, it's a vertical organization, so you're going to make the very most of your laundry space. If you've been crafting with Dollar Tree items for a while, you will recognize these metal flower buckets. We've all used them for floral crafts and seasonal crafts, but did you know that they also fit perfectly the size of your dryer sheets? To make the most of my laundry storage, I use one for my cleaning cloths and another bucket for my dryer sheets. And yes, they also fit perfectly right under those wire shelves from Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree carries a number of different types of over-the-door hooks, and they're usually kind of in a jumble in this section, at least at my store. But I'm going to show you why this simple white wire over-the-door hook system is my very favorite. As you can see, the cost is much better than you'd find on Amazon, but to be honest, even at this price, I prefer these rods because first of all, they blend in with the color of most standard doors, and they also fit very nicely over most door frames, where I find that some over-the-door hooks make it difficult for you to close your door. I recently reorganized our coat closet and got rid of a lot of the heavy winter coats we weren't using, which freed up some space on that bar to hang one of these over the door hooks. Now I use it for hats, dog leashes, and other items I use very frequently. You can find Dollar Tree sink mats in the houseware section, and of course you can use them to cushion your sink for dishes, but I'm going to show you a little different purpose. You'll want to pick up 2 baby blankets as well as that sink mat. We're going to make something called a Sniffle Mat, which as you can see retails for much more than we're spending. If you have a dog that likes to eat their food extremely quickly like my long-haired dachshund does, then this is what you need to make them. With a sharp pair of scissors, cut both of those baby blankets in strips of different sizes. Now you'll want to make sure and remove any loose strings so that your dog does not swallow those. Comment below and tell me if you ever made a latch hook rug back in the day. This is a very similar idea. It's a much simpler. You're going to take those ties and one by one, double knot them to each square of the Sniffle Mat. You can do this in any pattern you'd like. You can make them very close together or more spread out. And I like to make my strips of different heights because it is more fun for the dog to kind of search for his treats in something that would replicate grass. I originally made this Dollar Tree hack for my grand dog, Kobe. My daughter said he would just eat his dog food way too fast. This has slowed him down a little bit, and he also has fun while he's eating. Since we're on the topic of pets, if you love to dress your little dog or cat for the seasons, make sure and check out their pet scarves. They have both large and small, and these rival much more expensive scarves on Amazon, and they also have a little Velcro closure. So here is Bella, my long-haired Dachshund, modeling her leopard print scarf, and I wanted to show you how well she and Franklin are getting along. We took Bella in from a relative about a year ago, and they are now the best of friends. For $125, Dollar Tree carries these high-end plate chargers that really take your tablescape up a notch for any holiday or family gathering, but they can also be used for decor. Lately, I have been using them for seasonal decor to hold lanterns and all kinds of floral displays. This way, I can just carry the whole ensemble together without having to take it apart every time, and it makes my job just a little bit easier. Well, I may not be a little kid anymore, but I still love stickers, especially these high-end looking glass stickers, and I am going to show you how I use mine. If you're afraid to take your expensive coffee mugs with you wherever you go, the answer is these to-go plastic coffee cups. We are going to take it up a notch. You get 2 of these for $1.25, and they are very, very sturdy. They're similar to those Starbucks reusable cups. Now you're going to take off this little saying with some nail polish remover or Goo Gone, and it's a process of scraping it off and also rubbing it off. Once we've taken off that saying, we're going to put the sticker on in whatever pattern you chose. Just make sure that it's not something with a white background because it probably won't show up very well. But these are ultra simple to use, literally just peel and stick. I did make sure that I rubbed it on really well, especially all those little curly cues and details. Once you've applied the sticker, slowly remove the backing, and there you have it, a high-end looking Dollar Tree dupe for expensive to-go coffee cups. If you're looking for specialty serveware, there is no better deal than Dollar Tree, including these margarita glasses, champagne glasses, and stemless wine glasses. I've provided a link for you below to Dollar Tree. You can have a set of these delivered to your favorite store with no shipping costs. Just make sure before you leave the store that you check each one to make sure there are no cracks or breaks. And remember, you can do more than drink from this stemware. I used this margarita glass as a base for a hurricane lantern that I made in a recent video. Well, I think you might agree with me that we all need just a little bit more fun in our lives, and these paper straws from Dollar Tree provide me with that smile in my day. They are much better for the environment than plastic straws, and to be honest, you could buy these in bulk from Amazon for a little bit cheaper, but I love picking up the different variety of colors and patterns at Dollar Tree. And you know what? If you've made it this far into the video, let me remind you that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up, smile, and keep on going.